Okay, Ariel, this is a very informal video, but excuse me, since you are the only one in the class, then we can make it a little bit more personal. This is for the Capstone course, and my goal originally with the Capstone course was for students, once they completed the research course, to do the research in the Capstone course. And so, since you are doing those simultaneously, I don't know if that's going to be possible or not, but that's my goal, and that's what I would like to see you strive for. You're going to have to put some work in here, and I appreciate all those hard efforts. So you need to stay up to date in the research course. And what it may be is that this plays out to be where you do your research proposal in the research course, and then for the capstone course, you prepare how you would conduct the research um, or something. I'm not sure yet, but it will be okay. And so I know you've been my guinea pig all along, and I appreciate your patience with all of that. I have put some stuff into the course site, and I will continue to update that. I had the opportunity to participate in a what they call a staff ride when I was in Maryland last summer for a FESHE conference. And of course, Gettysburg Battlefield is right up the road from there. And it is a great, great example of leadership and very applicable to the fire service. So, what they did as a part of this staff ride is went to different points and discussed the battle and then presented leadership lessons and or leadership concepts. And so that's what um, you're going to be working with so far. That's what I've got posted on the site. There's about don't pay attention to the numbers because they got off track with the numbers. They're homemade videos. They're very good. A couple of them are affected by like wind or a car driving by or something like that. But these are actual Gettysburg historian, Farron Taylor, who did our staff ride. So he presents the battle and the situation that this particular scene from the battle presented. And then we want to find the how it's applicable in today's world. So I've asked that I think there's 6 writing assignments total. I've spread them out through the semester, about 1,000 words each. But I really want you to take your time with these. And it's a real important project to me because I want to be able to provide feedback this summer at the FESHE conference on what we did with them because I don't think anybody else was going to do anything with them. I don't know. But I would really, really like to be able to pilot test this and provide results to um, the FESHE symposium next year. As I was thinking just then, I may change it up if you are comfortable and maybe even have one of them as where you record them. You can write your paper and then record it if you want to read it or that kind of thing. And that way we can share it easier with other people because I think these are very, very important lessons. And I intend for this to be a part of the course from now on. I also have copied a chapter from another textbook. The textbook that was originally recommended for this course, I'm not going to have you buy because I don't like it. I need to find a better one. I think I'm going to post that textbook and maybe let's do some discussion on this chapter. It's kind of that wrap up final future of the fire service chapter. And there may be some other kind of project kind of things that go along with that. So I want you to stay up and I want you to log into the course frequently and stay in touch with me about it. Um, I will update it and I'll try to remember to drop you an email or something like that if I add something or I think sometimes the site will update you as well. But this is the final. My goal ultimately is to have people when they do the research, they make their research proposal. Then, as the capstone, which from henceforth I won't allow students to take them at the same time. In the capstone course, they do their research, and then my goal is in the fall when we have our advisory council meeting to have students present that research. That's my goal because that is such an exciting piece of what we're doing here as far as the program is concerned to see the end result. And that's what I want. That's what I want in a big way. So, um, if you have trouble with the Gettysburg sites, and like I say, I'll put some information on there about recording one of them. Uh, if you just want to read your paper, that's fine, or discuss it or something like that, because I really do want to be able to share this accomplishment with others, not just at a conference, but here on campus. I want people to see what our program is doing and how we are succeeding, first of all, with online education, but also how the FISA program is being successful as well. So that's what I'm expecting from the capstone. That's what I'm expecting from you. So as you progress in your research course, which I need your purpose or your problem and your purpose statements, and then upcoming you have your questions, and then you're going to be doing your literature review. Um, and we're going to talk to the literature review a little bit, hopefully in an online face-to-face class. But as you progress in those, we're going to progress in the capstone course, doing them at the same time. But you can go ahead and get started with the Gettysburg. The first video is kind of a battle overview, the campaign overview. And again, the volume on that one's a little iffy because that was in an auditorium. And then the writing assignments and the lessons come after that from different pieces, and they're actually filmed on site in Gettysburg. So that makes it kind of neat and kind of interesting. So that's what I have for this course, and so try not to get behind in the research course. I'll keep you up to date in this course. We're going to get through this. This is your last semester. I can't tell you how proud we all are of you for that super duper accomplishment. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will keep posting things and let you know. And we're going to get through this. We've got a while yet, so don't freak out. Stay up to date in that research course, though. You need to stay with the class because that's going to be an important piece of this. Thank you so much for all your hard work, Ariel, and let me know if you have any questions about anything. Thank you.